Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Killer Bee gas kill switch for petrol models like my Varja here. I'm going to do 3 tests. First a cold start, secondly a loss of radio signal, and then thirdly we're going to imitate that our battery has died from our receiver pack. So first of all we'll just do a cold start. Okay, choke is up, it's not on, so just prime up the engine. First test successful. Secondly, now we're going to pretend that our batteries in our radio die. So again, we'll start her up. And there we have it. Let's just reset it. Okay. Now thirdly, we're going to pretend that our battery in our receiver has died. Okay, so that is on. And there we have it. So you can get this Killer Bee kill switch from killerrc.com. Sign up to their forum, and it's just a great website. Great parts, great parts. All roof plates, all things to help you and enjoy your sport. Thanks.